Hi and welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. My name is Erin, and on my videos I show you how to create DIY bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this natural perfume that I have here. It has a very lovely scent and it is also very nourishing for the skin. So the very first thing that you're going to want to do when creating your perfume is you're going to gather all your ingredients that you want to use to create your scent. So in the perfume industry, they utilize what's called notes. And that just simply is your top, middle, and base note. And each one of these different notes, you'll find things like your citrusy scents, your floral scents, your spicy scents. And your top note is going to be your citrus scent, and that's going to be like lemon, orange, and grapefruit. Your middle note is going to be lavender, fennel, and rose type of scents, and these are just examples. And then on your base note, you'll find things like vanilla, amber, and musk. So what you're going to do is you're going to just choose from each one of those notes a scent that you think would be something you would like in your fragrance. So when it came to creating my fragrance, I have chosen to use 3 different kinds of essential oils. And the first one that I'm going to weigh out today is going to be bergamot essential oil. This is going to be my top note, and this is very citrusy, very fresh, and almost spicy in scent. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add my second essential oil, which is going to be my middle note, and it is neroli. Neroli is essential oil that has a combination of sweet and citrusy and very floral scent to it. For my base note, I am going to be adding cedarwood essential oil. This has a very warm and woodsy scent to it. It's also a little spicy as well. And remember that this is going to be the scent that really carries the perfume and lasts the longest. After I have added that cedarwood essential oil, I'm just going to go ahead and give this a nice stir, and this will just help to incorporate those different scents together. So now that I am done mixing all of those essential oils together, I'm going to go ahead and weigh out some jojoba oil. Now I'm using jojoba oil because this will give my fragrance longevity, and it will help to really moisturize, soothe, and balance sebum production on the skin. Jojoba oil is one of those carrier oils that is absorbed into the skin quickly. It is non-greasy and it is suitable for most skin types. Now, if you've never worked with jojoba oil before or not familiar with it, it actually is not an oil at all, but rather a wax. And this is something that is just really a great oil to use on the skin. The next carrier oil that I am going to go ahead and weigh out is sunflower oil. This is a great oil that will help to hydrate the skin. It is packed full of antioxidants. It will not clog your pores, and it's great for soothing the skin as well. So now that I have added all of the ingredients that I'll be using in this perfume, I'm going to go ahead and give it one more stir just to make sure that I have combined everything together. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and pour everything into my bottle. I'm using a funnel here. This just makes it easier for me so that I don't have it spilling out everywhere, and instead it goes directly into the bottle. This particular formula makes 3.5 ounces. And what you're going to do once you pour everything in is you're going to allow this to sit and macerate or blend. And this process usually takes, well, for me, it takes about 2 weeks. And that will just help to really mature the scent and give it that depth that you're wanting. And the scent will just be amazing if you do that. So I know it's really hard because you want to use it right away, but go ahead and just let it sit. It will be so worth it. The amount of perfume that I created today for me, because of my bottle size, actually made me 2 perfumes, not just 1, which is perfect because I know that I can give these as gifts later on in the year. Here are the 2 bottles of perfume that I just finished filling. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to show you how I apply it. So what I do is I just take a little bit of the perfume here and I put it on my wrist. Then with my other wrist, I'm going to gently rub it in. This is very fast absorbing and non-greasy, and this can be applied behind the ears and on the neck as well. And I find that this particular scent will last me all day. Before I go ahead and end this video, let me share with you a few of the substitutions that I have for you today. Now, when it comes to making this perfume, you can go ahead and use another carrier oil. I find that safflower or hazelnut oils are good options. You can use either one or both of them. And then another good scent combination is going to be lavender, pine, and peppermint. Now, if you're wanting to learn more about making perfumes at home, please leave me a comment down below this video. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.